Hey guys, what's up? I'm excited for the video today. I'm gonna try and keep my intro short. We are in the process of getting started on another really big project. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, and we're going to be turning it into a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. It is a family from out of state that bought the place and they're wanting to remodel it, and they hired me to do the design work and also furnish the house for them. I will also be working alongside my contractor Chip. He'll be doing all of the stuff that I obviously can't do with permits and whatnot. So I'm excited to share it with you guys, and I'm thankful that they are allowing me to film it. I just enjoy sharing this content with you guys, and I hope you'll enjoy it. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. I'd love that. I share a lot of things related to renovating, flipping, staging, decorating, and also some family life in between. If you're new, my name is Lynette, and I'm gonna show you guys a tour of the house. This is gonna be a before, as you can tell by the title. So it is gonna be a really big project, but it'll probably take us a good, I don't know, 4 to 6 months, I'm guessing, till everything's wrapped up. You never know what you get into. So let me show you guys the place. All right, I'm gonna do my best to show you guys around. So this is the front door, entryway. To your left, this is what used to be, I think, a living room. They do have slider doors here, and there's like a little patio out front there. And then if you swivel around, there's a dining room, and a lot of the furniture is still in here, and that all needs to come out. You see a wall here which separates this room from the kitchen. I'll let you guys look at the foyer. So that's that. So let me explain a little bit what they're doing in here. The owners are very organized, and they have a lot of good plans and are very helpful in figuring things out and saying what they want. So the plan is here the kitchen is over here right now on the other side of this wall. So they're going to be taking down this whole wall, and they're going to be doing a kitchen in the front here. So cabinets, and then an L-shaped, with a hood, cabinets over there, and then they're gonna have a really big island going that way, if that makes sense. So right where the desk is sitting is gonna be approximately the location of the island. And obviously, when you open this up, it will be a big open room, but they are planning to put in windows along here. They do have a nice pool in the back, as you can see. It's a very nice area to hang out. It overlooks a golf course, which is amazing. Swinging around this way, here's what it looks like from this angle. Here is a typical Florida style kitchen. Most of this house has really not been touched since, I'm gonna say, the 70s or 80s probably. This is the typical like drop down fluorescent lighting, and all of the cabinets are original to the house. So they're really just wanting to update everything and make it more modern and open. It kind of feels a little closed off and small. Over here is another little room. They will be closing this off and adding like a playroom slash room for a bed. This doorway goes out to the garage. So if you're standing here, imagine all of this going away. You can see the kitchen. It's going to be a nice big open area for entertaining. They also plan to put in a little coffee bar area here. I guess sort of like a wet bar, but they're going to be doing like a coffee station, cabinets, maybe a little drink refrigerator. They're going to be leaving the sliders over there and new windows. So before I leave this side of the house, I'm going to be showing you the master bedroom and bathroom. Coming in, this is a nice big master bedroom. This room will mostly be cosmetics. Here there is a nice big walk-in closet, and then this door leads into the bathroom. This is gonna be redone a little bit. So the ceilings are low, they have this fluorescent lighting in here, and they're gonna be leaving the vanity in this location. However, some things are going to be changing. There's gonna be, I think, an entrance to the closet in here. So here is the master shower currently. You have like a step down. They're actually going to be making it quite a bit bigger. So let me just show you guys the rest of the bathroom a little bit more. There's the old linoleum here that you see, and a lovely blue toilet, as well as some more blue sinks out here. And here is the back sitting room, living room. They're gonna be using this as their main like family room, hangout area. The owners are cabinet makers or own a cabinet shop, and they're gonna be doing all of the cabinets in the house. So they're planning to do a nice, big, more like modern built-in with like a fireplace, modern fireplace, shelving, place for a screen, and the slider doors will just stay as is. And then there's kind of a little bump out. They're gonna be eliminating this part of it, and it's just gonna be taken back, I believe. They were trying to figure out how they wanted to handle that. I think the plan is to extend the laundry room wall out a little bit because they wanna add a third bathroom. So currently, this is the laundry room. This part is gonna be opened. We're gonna do like a shelf, and then there's gonna be all new cabinets, and we're actually putting a bathroom in this section here. So that's why we're taking the wall out just a little bit, and we're just doing like a shower unit and a toilet with a door, and then we'll just have the sink out here, and that will work as a laundry sink slash bathroom sink. But it'll be really nice to have a shower right off of the pool area back here. So I'll take you back this way. You can see the living room from this area. So this is where the rest of the bedrooms are. There's a bedroom here to the right. We will be doing bunk beds in both rooms, as well as a regular bed, just to accommodate more people. This bathroom is a doozy, you all. This is something I have not really encountered before. It is a yellow tub. It's very yellow, it's goldenrod yellow. Very original to the house. So you also have yellow cabinet and like the brown top. There's this old style, I think it's a linoleum as well. So definitely I'm excited to give this one a facelift. And then going into the third bedroom. So we are gonna be taking out this closet, and I'm thinking the bunk beds will go there. And I also think they're going to be doing like a closet that they actually build themselves versus one like this. I am really excited about the bedrooms. We can kind of just make it a lot more modern and fun, and just be able to accommodate more people. Let me know if you guys are excited to follow along on this project. I sure am. It's gonna be just a really fun makeover, and I've got a lot of work to do. I've started with some of it already, but in the meantime, we are trying to finish up our Beneva flip house. I wanted to get this filmed for you guys, and I hope you'll enjoy it. So I'll probably just be documenting it as I go, and just trying to kind of take you all with us and show you the ins and outs of what's happening. I don't know how much I will be documenting, like every single stage, because we're not going to be doing as much of the work ourselves as we did the flip house. So I'm sure it won't be quite as detailed, but in any case, you all will see the progression, hopefully. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
My favorite day. Gloves, hammers, crowbars. It's demo day.